If you accidentally chip a kitchen floor tile during or after installation, act quickly to prevent the chip from worsening and to keep the floor looking consistent. Start by assessing the damage closely with good lighting and a magnifying lens if needed to determine whether the chip is superficial or reaches the body of the tile. If the chip occurred before grouting and the tile is removable without disturbing surrounding tiles, lift any loose setting material and swap in a matching replacement tile using the same thin-set technique and ensure full bedding and correct joint spacing. For minor surface chips, use a color-matched epoxy or polyester filler designed for ceramic or porcelain tile. Mix a tiny amount, tint to match using manufacturer-recommended pigments, and apply with a small spatula or toothpick, then level flush with a razor blade after the filler skins over. Cure time matters, so follow product instructions and avoid foot traffic for the full cure period, and buff the repaired area with a fine abrasive pad or ultra-fine steel wool to blend sheen. For glazed tiles where the glaze is damaged but the body is intact, consider a clear polyurethane overcoat after filler cures to restore gloss and protect the repair. Keep a spare tile or two from the original job stored in a climate-stable place to make future replacements seamless. The most common mistake is trying to fill a deep structural chip with surface filler which will fail under traffic. If the body is fractured, replace the tile rather than relying on cosmetic patching. Another issue is using the wrong adhesive or filler that does not bond to the tile surface, which causes peeling. Choose a filler and adhesive formulated for the tile material and test a small hidden area first. A third frequent problem is oversanding or aggressive scraping that creates a larger area of damage. Use gentle scraping with a plastic scraper and finish with ultra-fine abrasives by hand to avoid enlarging the chip. We maintain bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that fits their skills and service area. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips, repair experiences, and recommendations related to tile repairs and many other home projects.